Welcome to Sweden, where Christmas is a time of warmth, light, and cherished traditions. From the enchanting Lucia celebrations to the mouth-watering Julbord feast, Swedish Christmas is a magical blend of history, culture, and festivity. Join us as we explore these beloved traditions and discover what makes a Swedish Christmas truly special. In Sweden, Christmas is more than just a holiday, it's a season of togetherness and tradition. With its roots in both Christian and pagan customs, Swedish Christmas celebrates light, family, and community during the darkest time of the year. Let's dive into some of the most iconic Swedish Christmas traditions, starting with the Festival of Light, Lucia. On December 13th, Swedes celebrate Lucia Day, a tradition that honors Saint Lucia, the bearer of light. This beautiful celebration symbolizes hope and light during the long winter nights. The day begins with a Lucia procession, where a chosen girl wears a crown of candles and leads a group of children singing traditional songs. Families gather to enjoy saffron-flavored buns called lussekatter and spiced gingerbread cookies while basking in the warm glow of candlelight. Another cherished tradition is the countdown to Christmas through Advent. Swedish homes light one candle each Sunday leading up to Christmas Eve, creating a cozy and reflective atmosphere. Stars and electric candle holders brighten windows, spreading holiday cheer both inside and out. Many families also use Advent calendars to mark the days, often filled with chocolate, small gifts, or even daily surprises from Swedish television's Christmas calendar shows. No Swedish Christmas is complete without the Gavle goat. This massive straw figure, inspired by the Yule goat of Nordic folklore, is erected each year in the city of Gavle. While it's a beloved tradition, it has also gained notoriety for the many attempts to set it on fire, a mischievous twist on the festivities. In homes across Sweden, you'll find Tomte, a gnome-like figure who is said to guard homes and deliver gifts, along with straw goats, a nod to the Yule goat's origins. The heart of Swedish Christmas is the Julbord, a bountiful buffet of traditional dishes enjoyed with family and friends. The Julbord features several courses, starting with cold dishes like pickled herring, gravlax, and pâtés, followed by warm dishes such as Swedish meatballs, sausages, and Jansson's fressels, a creamy potato casserole. No Swedish feast is complete without glögg, a spiced mulled wine served with raisins and almonds. It's the perfect way to warm up on a chilly winter evening. In Sweden, Christmas Eve is the main day of celebration. Families exchange gifts, often delivered by the Tomte, and share heartfelt moments together. It's also common to watch Donald Duck and his friends wish you a Merry Christmas, a beloved television tradition that has been airing every Christmas Eve since 1959. A fun Swedish tradition is the rice pudding dessert, which often contains a single almond. The person who finds the almond is said to have good luck, or sometimes be the next to get married. Swedish Christmas also embraces the outdoors. From sledding to cross-country skiing, families make the most of the winter season. It's a time to enjoy nature and the beauty of Sweden's snowy landscapes. Swedish Christmas is a unique and heartwarming blend of light, tradition, and togetherness. From the glowing Lucia processions to the delicious Julbord feast, it's a celebration that embraces the magic of the season. Whether you're inspired by the traditions or simply curious about Swedish culture, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Swedish Christmas traditions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cultural and festive explorations. Until next time, God July and happy holidays.